Here we'll write a program to find index of an item from tuple. So first in comment line we'll write, first we'll define empty tuple. Then we'll accept total number of elements to accept from the user and store in tuple. So n equal to int input enter total elements, and we'll use for loop. So for I in range 0, n, we will accept tuple elements from the user. So E equal to, here we are going to accept string or number. So here we'll use string input enter element, and we'll add this element to tuple. So T equal to T plus E comma. Outside the for loop, we'll accept the element for which we are going to find the index. So ch equal to input enter element to check index. To find the index, we'll use index function from the tuple. So I equal to t dot index, and we'll pass ch as a parameter to check the index, and then we'll print index of ch equal to, we'll print I, and we execute. I'll give total element as 5 and I'll enter the elements. Then I'll give 4 to check the index. It will print index of 4 is 1.